Imagine giving two people the exact same piano. One has never played before. The other has spent 20 years mastering the instrument. Do they create the same music? Of course not. The piano isn't the advantage. The musician is. Now replace the piano with artificial intelligence. Today, millions of people have access to the same AI tools. They can write articles, create presentations, design images, edit videos, and even build marketing campaigns in minutes. At first glance, it looks like everyone now has the same advantage. But something unexpected is happening. As AI becomes available to everyone, original thinking is becoming more valuable than ever. Think about it this way. A calculator can solve complex equations in seconds, but it can't decide which problem is worth solving. That still requires a human mind. AI works the same way. It can organize information. It can generate ideas. It can summarize research. But it doesn't have your experience. It hasn't made your mistakes. It hasn't worked with your customers. It hasn't learned the lessons that only come from years of solving real problems. That's where real value comes from. Imagine asking 10 different people to use AI to write an article about leadership. They all have access to the same technology. Yet the results will be completely different. Why? Because the quality of the output depends on the quality of the thinking behind it. The person who understands leadership deeply will ask better questions, challenge weak ideas, and recognize insights that others completely miss. The AI simply helps bring those ideas to life. This is one of the biggest misunderstandings about artificial intelligence. Many people believe AI is replacing expertise. In reality, it's replacing repetitive work. The businesses gaining the biggest advantage aren't the ones using AI to think less. They're using AI to think bigger. They're spending less time formatting documents, writing first drafts, and organizing information. That gives them more time to solve complex problems, build stronger relationships, and create ideas that competitors can't easily copy. That's where originality begins, not in the tool, in the person using it. History has shown us this pattern before. When cameras became affordable, photography didn't disappear. Great photographers became even more valuable because creativity mattered more than simply owning a camera. When computers became common, successful businesses didn't win because they had computers. They won because they used those computers to make better decisions. AI is creating the same shift. The technology is becoming common. Original thinking is becoming rare, and rare things become valuable. So instead of asking whether AI will replace your job, ask yourself a better question. What can I do that AI can't? Can I understand people better? Can I make better decisions? Can I solve more meaningful problems? Can I offer a perspective no one else has? Because in the years ahead, the biggest advantage won't belong to the businesses using the most AI. It will belong to the businesses using AI to amplify something that's impossible to copy, their own thinking, because AI can copy almost anything, but it still can't replace an original mind. If you enjoyed this video, subscribe for more documentaries exploring business psychology, AI, branding, and the hidden reasons successful businesses grow. Thanks for watching.